Welcome to Titan Machinery of Bismarck. In this video, we'll be demonstrating a 2007 Kobelco SK50 SR3 with 2200 hours. Let's take a closer look at the features on this mini excavator. This Kobelco SK50 SR3 has an 18-inch general purpose bucket and features auxiliary hydraulics and a hammer circuit, along with a hydrostatic transmission and 16-inch tracks, and a Canopy enclosure. Thank you for viewing this Kobelco SK50 SR3. If you're interested in this mini excavator and would like to contact our sales team, give them a call at 701-250-7925. To view other available used equipment, check out bismarck.titanmachinery.com.